everyone, my name is Uji and this book is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Jitters! What do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A bird, a swing, a hat? Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Cheers. Sniff. Are you okay, Jitter? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Right now, Catch make me sneeze too. Do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think Catch make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? Oh, you are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.